So far our graph is linear. It goes from one node to the next in a fixed order. Real agents need to make decisions. Should I search, or do I already have the answer? Should I ask the user for more info, or proceed? Conditional edges let your graph branch based on the current state. Here's how it works. You write a routing function that takes the current state and returns a string. That string is the name of the next node to go to. You pass this function to add_conditional_edges along with a mapping. For our job search agent, we need 3 routes. If the user wants to search for jobs, go to the search node. If the user wants to research a company, go to the research node. Otherwise, just respond with the LLM. The routing function calls the LLM to classify the intent. Based on the classification, it returns the right node name. This is exactly how every real agentic system works. The orchestrator agent classifies the task, then routes to the right specialist. You can have as many routes as you need. And the routing function can be as simple or complex as you want. It can look at the state, call tools, or just check a simple condition. Next video, Human in the Loop. How to pause your agent and ask for human approval before proceeding.